Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you in Windows 10 PC how to set up all ton of Windows tips and tricks. As you use your Windows 10 PC, Windows keeps an eye on what you are doing and offers tips about things you might want to do with the operating system. In my experience, I have rarely, if ever, found these tips are helpful. I also don't like the privacy implication of Windows constantly taking a virtual look over my shoulder. Windows watching or Windows know what you are doing and offering advice can also make your PC run more sluggishly. So if you want to speed things up or if you want to turn it off, that tips or tricks notifications, just simply tell Windows to stop giving you advice. To do so, click the Start button, select the setting icon, and then go to System. Below there, Notifications and Actions. Scroll down to the Notifications and Sections and uncheck the box, which will stop the tips and tricks notifications, and then you will enjoy your PC. So this one is very helpful for me. The tips and tricks notification is very annoying to me, so I just turn it off. So for you, if you want, here you go, there is a way, just follow the step I said and then you can turn it off. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe, or if you already do and have some question, please leave in the comment below and I will answer whatever question you have. Again, thank you for subscribing my channel and see you in the next video. Peace.